What's going on, guys? Another little training here. I kind of want to just keep throwing these plays out. I have to keep throwing these plays out. For me, I feel like the more times that I show you these plays, the more comfortable you guys will get. And the more times, you forget about what happened yesterday, you forget about the last trade, and you just look to the next trade, you will get more comfortable as well. Here's also why I say, continue to watch the same couple of handful of stocks each and every single day. For me, you guys know already in the Discord, I'm watching Tesla, I'm watching Nvidia, Apple, AMD, and quite honestly, it's been those stocks. I mean, today I mixed in AMC because of the ape movement, the apes. They really drug me in today. And I was able to catch that for 100% winner. Those apes, once they just take over, it's kind of hard to resist them. But long story short, quick example that I want to use. Yesterday, JB from Discord, he took a couple of plays. I think he took one small winner and then he lost on Tesla. Now, here's where we can get confused. He's obviously still learning the strategy, which is fantastic. He played AMD actually. He played AMD and he played it to the T, meaning that he played it very, very correctly. It was an amazing job, even though that it was a very, very small loss. It was very, very good and methodical and systematic, and that's the way that it needs to be played. So congratulations on that, buddy. Keep throwing those darts and keep on continuing to take these plays. The reason why I'm bringing up Tesla is because I know he did take a loss. There was a little bit of confusion on his Tesla play yesterday. But with that being said, if we kind of just understand that if every day you consistently look for the same setup, and we know, if you're watching me on YouTube and you don't know who I am, or you guys are not in my Discord, then you're not going to be too familiar with the way that me and my team trades, right? You're not going to understand our strategy. If you guys want to get a little bit more information, definitely join the Discord, become a lifetime member, get access to the video courses. But for everyone who is watching this video who does understand the 20 play, the 20 SMA play, guys, look at what the move Tesla gave today. Now, of course, there's going to be a lot of people out there on social media. Well, anybody could have made money buying Tesla today. Anybody could have bought Tesla wherever and made money. You are 100% correct, the mundo. You are right on the money, right? You could have bought Tesla here. You could have bought Tesla here. You could have bought Tesla here. Hell, you could have even bought, you could have bought Tesla up here and you still would have made a little bit of money. Of course. But the point is, and the point that I'm trying to make is yesterday, and the only reason I'm using JB as the example for this video, JB, if you are watching this, it's no knock on you, buddy, but I want to kind of give you the power of to not get discouraged, right? Because on your AMD play, you entered in, it was a correct entry, the move stalled and it failed, so you got stopped out. Very, very small paper cut loss, right? Now let's exclude the Tesla trade because there was a huge mix up on your entry on that play, so it's not really valid. But if we use the AMD play and you use that strategy, yes, you got stopped out for a paper cut. If you came back into the market today and again played Tesla, right, using the same strategy, that small loss that you would have taken yesterday, you would have entered Tesla here at 945 and essentially ridden this up to 997. So the point that I'm trying to make is that yes, you are going to lose. I lose. I took 3 losses today. I posted up, one of the losses was a $100 loss on Apple, but I also made over $1,500 on Tesla. I also made money trading Nvidia. I also made money trading AMC, but we're not even going to get into that trade. But the moral of the story is that, yes, you are going to take the paper cut losses, But when you come back into the market and forget about what happened yesterday, because today you have a strategy and your strategy works in a bull, bear, or distribution market, distribution meaning sideways, you have a strategy that will work in any type of market environment. You can completely come back into the market the next day, wash away that paper cut loss, and take in a huge winner. Okay, so I know JB also played 2 plays today and played those very, very perfectly, came out with a winner on one of those plays as well. So the whole point, and I just kind of want to make this clear, the point of this video that I'm making is that forget about what happened yesterday. Forget about what happened on the last trade. If you got stopped out, you took a loss, a small loss because you're following your strategy and obeying your rules. Oh well, because when you get that next play and that next play hits, that next play could be a 50-point banger. Okay, obviously you're probably not going to catch the whole move, whoever does, right? Unless you just got, big brass, what. But the point is that it's okay to take those losses, and you want to take those losses because you want to execute those losses 100% correctly. Because when you do implement and execute your trades and they are winners, they are going to be significantly larger than those losers. I can guarantee you that. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a full-time options day trader and scalper. I've been trading for going on 6 years now and almost 4 years full-time. So with that being said, I've seen hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of setups, guys. Stop worrying about your last loser. Stop worrying about what the market did yesterday. Stop worrying about what the market's going to do tomorrow. Worry about what's going on in front of your face. Worry about the chart and worry about the setup that is being given to you in the current time and situation. That's the only thing I can tell you. Are you going to take a loss? Of course you're going to take a loss. But when you come back into the market with a fresh set of eyes and you come back into the market, throwing those darts at your setup, when you get a winner, and something like Tesla is definitely a big mover, when you get that winner, you get your winner that will definitely eat up those losses. I hope this video makes sense. This is not really a video teaching the strategy, because obviously if you're in the Discord, you understand the strategy. If you guys are watching on YouTube and you want to learn the strategy, come over to the Discord. We will help you out. I will help you out. That's another story for another day. But the point I'm trying to make is not that, yes, you could have bought Tesla anywhere today and made money. That's not the point. That's not the point. When you have a strategy, it doesn't matter if Tesla puts in a 60, 70 point day. It doesn't matter. Tesla could have put in a 10-point day and we still would have made money. How many people out there can say that, if Tesla only gave you 12 points off the open, if Tesla gave you 12 points off the open, 15 points off the open, would you have made money? Would you have known where to buy and sell? Half of you people wouldn't even have known where to buy and sell. That's the point I'm trying to make. So yeah, Tesla did put up a $70 winner. And of course, a lot of people made money and a lot of people could have made money because this is easy. That's easy. You could have bought here, here, here. Like I went over before, you could have bought Tesla anywhere and made money. That's not the point. The point is that if Tesla only went up $15 today, would you have known where to make money? Would you have known where to enter and exit the stock? If you trade with us, you understand where to enter and trade the stock. The whole advantage of having an edge like we have in Evolution Traders is, we have a strategy that'll work in any type of market environment. And our strategy put us in here at the bottom. Our strategy put us in here down, in almost at the bottom in the middle of the range, right? So we opened up on Tesla at 935 and our strategy is giving us plays, at 943, also 945. Tesla gave us another entry here right around 935. You would have made money from 935 all the way into 947. That's a 10-point winner there. Let's say the market completely rolled over. We still would have made money long. Okay. We still would have made money long. So the whole point that I'm trying to make in this video is not to come off as if we know all and tell all, but the point is that you are going to lose in this game that we call day trading. You are going to lose in this game that we call scalping, especially if you're playing options. Premiums move around a lot. You're never always going to win. I would never take advice, never listen to anyone who says that they win 90% of the time. That's complete bullshit. Anyone who says they win 90% of the time is a complete dud, right? Like today I took 7 plays and I lost 4 of them, right? So You know, out of 7, I only won 3 winners, but the 3 winners were significantly larger than those 4 losers. I took a $100 paper cut on Apple. I took a $25 loss on AMD. I took a, you know, a $60 loss on trying to short crude oil, and that shook me out. However, I made over $1,500 trading Tesla. I made over $2,000 trading AMC. It's not about what you make. The point is that when you have a strategy and you accept and obey your strategy, you will always have bigger winners than you will losers. You will always have more winners in the long run than you do losers, right? So even a 30, 40, 50, 60% win rate can still be good if you're winning $1,000 on one play and you're losing $100 on another play, and then you lose $50 on one play, but then you make $350 on another play. You can start to see how those wins are going to outweigh the losses. So never get down on yourself. Never think that you're failing. Never think that you're never going to understand it. Never think that you're never going to get it. As long as you put in the work and as long as you have the discipline, you guys can be consistent. You can be profitable. It will take time. The only way that it's going to take, the only way that's going to become more comfortable is just by taking plays, guys. You got to just continue to keep, throwing darts at the dartboard and continuing to take these plays. The biggest teacher in this game, being the stock market, is experience. Okay, and the only way you get experience is by trading real money. That's not opening up some paper account and trading paper money. That's not just looking at the stocks and saying, well, I could have bought Tesla today, I would have made money. No, put real money on the line and feel the emotions once you get in. Put real money on the line, going long here at 635 and having Tesla pull in on you from 936 to 925. Having it come in 10 points on you. That's real emotions. That's real trading. How are you going to manage this trade? How would you have managed that 10-point drawdown? Would you have, held it? Would you have got stopped out on it? Would you have been so scared that you never took another play? For example, let's say that you got long Tesla off the bell and quickly went up a few points and then pulled back in on you 10 points and you sold here and you're completely bummed out. You're completely bummed out here at 6:45 in the morning Pacific Standard Time that you lost a bunch of money on Tesla. Let's say you lost $1,000 on Tesla. You're so bummed out that you never looked for another setup. Guys, you potentially missed out on a $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 banger. You know what I'm saying? So don't worry about the losses, because the losses are going to come, but when the wins come, they're definitely going to pay. With that being said, guys, subscribe to the channel, throw me a thumbs up, join the Discord. I'll see you guys all tomorrow.